is a popular system optimization and cleaning tool developed by Piriform, designed to help users improve the performance of their computers. Available for Windows, macOS, and Android, CCleaner is a versatile program that helps clear unnecessary files, fix registry issues, and optimize system settings to ensure smoother and faster operation. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, it has become a go-to solution for users looking to maintain a clean and efficient system. The primary function of CCleaner is to remove junk files that accumulate over time, such as temporary files, browser history, log files, and cache data. These files take up valuable disk space and can slow down a system. By cleaning up these files, CCleaner helps free up storage and improve system performance. Additionally, it includes a registry cleaning feature that scans for invalid, obsolete, or broken registry entries, which can cause system errors or crashes if not addressed. CCleaner also includes several tools to manage your system more efficiently. It can help you control which programs start automatically when your computer boots, allowing you to disable unnecessary startup items and speed up boot times. The program also includes an uninstaller for removing unwanted software and a file shredder to securely delete sensitive files so they cannot be recovered. These features make CCleaner a comprehensive tool for keeping your computer running at its best. For users looking for even more advanced functionality, CCleaner offers a pro version that provides additional features such as real-time monitoring, automatic updates, and scheduled cleaning. These features help ensure that your system remains optimized without requiring manual intervention. The free version, while slightly limited, still provides essential tools for cleaning and maintaining your computer. Overall, CCleaner is a reliable, user-friendly tool that helps maintain your computer's performance and privacy. Whether you're looking to free up disk space, improve speed, or ensure your system runs without errors, CCleaner offers a straightforward solution for keeping your computer in top shape.